Guys, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I am back today with the most requested video till now. I know I have made you guys wait for a long this time, but I had to do a lot of research for this video, so that made me late. So, apologies for that. Today's video is on beginner's makeup kit guidance under Rs 2500. A whole makeup kit just under 2500. You guys have requested for various budget limit, so I chose an average budget limit because I had to keep in mind the product quality as well. So let's get started. First, as a primer, I am using this aloe vera gel from Bioorganic, and I have mentioned all the prices of the products in the video. Aloe vera gel actually protects your skin from any damages. Next, I am applying the setting spray from Swiss Beauty. Setting spray also works as a primer. You can just apply moisturizer and then apply any setting spray. It works as a primer as well. Here, I am just locking everything into my skin and making a tight barrier. As I have said, I have to keep in mind the quality of the product besides the prices, so nothing could be better than this foundation, Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, my all-time favorite affordable drugstore foundation. My shade is actually 332, but 330 used to go with my skin tone as well, but today I am saying that number 330 is not matching anymore. I don't know you can understand it or not, but in reality, no, it's not matching. It's looking a little darker, and as it gets oxidized, so 330 is no more for me, I think. Apart from this, you can see how smoothly it blends into the skin. Aren't you guys also loving this foundation already? For highlighting my under eye, bridge of the nose, chin, cupid bow and forehead, I am using this concealer from Miss Clear. If not foundation, at least my concealer should give the medium coverage, as I don't always really use foundation. So after researching a lot, I have selected this concealer from Miss Clear at low budget. But trust me, I didn't expect this to be so good. It's so creamy and gives a medium to full coverage, which I liked a lot. Seriously, I had a little doubt about this concealer, but now you guys can see also how beautifully this base has turned out. Honestly, I'm loving it like anything. Next, to set the base, I am using this compact powder from Maybelline Fit Me range in the shade 1 to 8. As you guys know, I like to use 2-3 lighter shade of the powder than my skin tone. So I am setting it with a brush. Once I used to use this compact only without any foundation or anything, and trust me, they are really good. At budget friendly price, it gives you more than you can expect. I am applying the powder especially where I have applied the concealer and on my neck as well. Next comes the contouring part. You guys have seen me using this refill from PAC Cosmetics many times. It's very pigmented, so take a little bit of it and apply it under the cheekbones, on forehead, on the jawlines. It works like a bronzer as well and gives a sun-kissed look, but I am applying it a little bit here, not too much, and blending it well just to give a defined shape to the face. And oh yeah, I have contoured my nose as well. You can skip this part if you want. Next, for eyebrows, I am using this brow pencil from Nykaa. Oh god, I so love this pencil, you have no idea, because of its micro fine pencil. You can draw the strokes as precisely as you want, and it also gives a natural look to the brows. So a big yay for this pencil. Next, for blush, I didn't have the budget, so thought, why don't I use an eyeshadow palette as my blush? Because you can use eyeshadow as your blush or blush as your eyeshadow. So I have used this Nicka K9 palette in the shade Poison Apple for my blush. If you don't have 2000 or 2500 as your budget for the makeup, you can use this palette also from Wet n Wild, which you can use as your contour, as your blush, as your highlighter, and obviously for your eyeshadow as well. Next, for my eyeshadow, I am using this same eyeshadow palette from Nicka K9 and doing my eye makeup. Applying this shade on my crease area first and then taking this lighter shade which I used as blush, blending the harsh edges and making it look seamless. Next, taking the concealer, creating a half cut crease look and applying this light glittery eyeshadow from the same palette where I have created the half cut crease shape. Now I'm applying some Kajal on my upper and lower waterline from Blue Heaven. If you apply eyeshadow on your Kajal, you can make any Kajal look long lasting. So you don't really need to invest a lot of money for the Kajal. So I'm applying the same eyeshadow on the Kajal and smudging it seamlessly. Next, I am applying some mascara from Mars Cosmetics. I really didn't know its price is so low when I first used it, as it was so good. Really loved it. For highlighter, I am using one of my favorite highlighters. It's from Focallure. It gives a so sheer effect that you can even use it at daytime. It provides a buttery glow and shine to the skin, which really looks natural and soothing to the eyes. Next, I am applying my all-time favorite lipstick from Maybelline. Its creamy and matte texture is so wearable for all day long. Also, it has many color options which you can easily choose for any big occasions as well. So that's the final look created with the products which you can buy if you have 2000 or 2500 budget. If you buy these products when Nykaa sale is on, I think you can get them at lower than that price. So if you find this video helpful and like it, then please do share, comment and like this video. And the newcomers, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.